Hello students, again welcome back to my channel City. Hope you all are fine. And in this video we are going to update the most requested video from the students regarding 21st August 2021 real IELTS test complete prediction. So we will discuss about the academic and general module test in detail from both IDP India and British Council Global. So first we'll start off from the listening module as usual. In part 1 you will get a not completion that will be one word and or a number, and it will be a telephonic conversation. So this part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2, you will get a talk from a guide, and this time there is a chance to get short MCQs with three options. Along with that, map completion. So this time they will give the map along with some options. So you need to write the correct letter like A to J, A to I, like that next to the question. So this part also will be an easy one. Moving on to part 3, you will hear an academic discussion, and this time there is a chance to get a selection of letter type question. For one question they will give 5 options and you want to select any two. So they will ask for one set or two set of the same question and also match the information type of question. In that they will give the options in a box and you want to cross proper answer with the question. So this part will be in moderate level. Then moving on to last part, you will hear a monologue or academic lecture. You will get to the question in the form of not completion, that also one word only. And this time the audio will be in normal pace, but in the last two part you can expect a little bit fast audio. So try to practice accordingly. If you are practicing in YouTube and all means, try to adjust the background speed and also try to do the latest materials. So overall we can set it as easy to moderate level. Now we'll see regarding the reading module of academic first. In passage 1 you will get a long passage, and this time you can expect the questions in the form of fill up type of question. That will be one word only. Along with that, true false not given type of question, and also you can expect 2 or 3 direct question also, and they will give the instruction like you can use up to 2 words. So overall this passage 1 will be easy to moderate level. Moving on to passage 2, again you can expect a long passage and you will get to the questions in the form of MCQs with 4 options and fill up type of question with the options in a box, and you can just select it out, and along with that yes no not given type of question to you. So this passage to you also will be easy to moderate level. And regarding the last passage, you can expect the questions like match the information. Most probably they will ask for list of heading, and along with that selection of letters. They will give the options and you want to select any 2 or 3 according to their instructions. Then along with that, true false not given type of question again. So the last passage will be in moderate level. So overall we can set it as it will be moderate or moderate plus. So you need to practice more if you want to crack your answers properly means. So try to collect maximum material, go through Cambridge materials, and along with that you can depend on onlineiltstest.com, the website, and also iltsfever.com. These type of websites are providing so much material, so you can depend on that too. Now we'll see regarding the reading module for general. Starting from section 1, you will get 2 short passages, and the question types are match the information type of question. They will give some information and you want to cross it. Then along with that, true false not given type of question to you. So this section 1 will be easy to moderate. Moving on to section 2, again you will get 2 short passages and you can expect fill up type of question more in this section. That may be in the form of a table completion or a diagram completion, and along with that a short note completion to you. So this section will be an easy one. Moving on to last section, you can expect MCQs with 4 options, yes no not given type of question, and also selection of letters. So they will give options and you want to select according to their instructions. So this section also will be easy to moderate level. So overall we can set it as in easy to moderate level. So try to practice more. Now we'll see regarding the writing module for academic first. So in task 1, you will get an infographic structure and you want to write a report. So this time you can expect a line chart, bar chart, table, or the combination of any two, and also concentrate on map. That will be a diachronic map. That means same place at a different time. So you will get master classes for writing task 1 in our playlist. We recently started with that, and also in our Facebook page in live. So you can go through that. Now we'll see regarding the task 2 for academic. So you will get opinion type essay. They will ask you in any different form or discussion with opinion type essay, and also concentrate on direct question, or else we can set it as two-part question. The question with two different parts, and you want to answer for both the part. So these three category you want to concentrate more on. Then regarding the writing module for general, so we will see regarding task 1 first. You will get a letter. So this time there is a chance to get informal letter. So you should know how to open up, how to end up, how to divide the body paragraph and all. And in task 2, please concentrate on opinion type essay or else discussion type essay. They will ask you in any different form. So these two category you want to concentrate more on. Then regarding the essay topics for academic and gender module, now you can check out the topic and try to collect some points. I will prepare one another video with the questions under each topics. First one, technologies and medias. Any type of technologies, communication technology, information technology, robots, artificial intelligence, then media sources, internet, TV, radio, newspaper, like that. Then second one, government and economy, the usage of government fund and also government role in any sectors. Then education related to offline, online educational programs, educational system, university education related to university students and all. Then social or world issues, under that they can discuss about the globalization, urbanization, materialism, overexploitation of resources, overpopulation, gap between rich and poor, gap between women and men, or between the old and young, consumerism, these type of topics. Then transportation related or tourism related questions, that may be private or public transportation or related to this commuting time. Okay, then under business or related to this marketing, advertisement and all, or anything under work related to these employees or employers problems, or related to this part-time or full-time jobs. Then environment related issues, anything about the animal species, over exploitation of resources, biodiversity, loss of biodiversity, or any type of pollution, anything related to environment. Then last, leisure activities, any type of leisure activities they can ask for, sports, games, music, or any type of art form. So these all are the topics you need to concentrate more on. Try to collect some points under each and every topics. And this is applicable for morning slot and also the evening slot if you are appearing academic or gender module. So I will prepare one another video with the essay questions as soon as possible. And you will get the selected speaking cue cards for the month of August in our channel. So I will provide the link in the description. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates related to IELTS. God bless you all.